I see the guy back in that boat. He's doing the thing, he's chilling. But it's been a good day, guys. Whoa. We was on the subscribe. Smash them up, guys. Guys, have to smash these fish. It's your boy Sean. Make sure you smash. Let's do it, guys. Top of the morning. We out here. Gonna slant some fish. Gonna get into it. Guys out here fishing. I'll talk to a few guys off camera. A few of them said they caught some fish, which is good. It's a good sign. I'm happy. And I can't wait to get out here and catch some of these fish, guys. Hope you guys like this little trail I'm walking through. Where did I come out yesterday? I'm trying to figure out the spot I came out yesterday. I walked through all this mushy stuff. I want to get further down. I'm gonna go down this way because I don't know. Oh, it would let me out that way. All right, that'll work. Perfect. I just gotta be careful how I get down these rocks now. Rained last night a little bit, or sometimes this morning. The rocks are slippery and I don't want to fall. So with that being said, make this as easy as possible as safe as possible. Now make sure you get a solid grounding on these steps. Watch out for the snakes. There are a bunch of snakes here. We do know that, so don't be silly and trick yourself and say there's no snakes here. There are snakes here. Cottonmouth, copperhead. I guess water moccasins and cottonmouths are the same snakes, I believe. I'm not so sure. But there's a different variety of snakes out here, guys. So you're definitely gonna be visual of that. Let's get into it. Today's what? The 14th? Wednesday. They catch some fish. People out here fishing, which is good. Hello, my friend. How you doing today? Good, okay. Catch some fish today? Yeah. We get some fish today. Come on, fish with me. We got something on. Some kind of red breast here. Let's let him loose. Hope everybody get my hook back. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Yep, sun is on it. I knew sun was on it. The way it was moving, a little baby rock bass. Still a fish at the end of the day. Nice little fish. Fun fish to catch. I missed the bite. I felt it hit it twice, but I didn't take it. There we go. See? Third fish right here, guys. 3 fish. This is a bluegill right here. Like I said, the fish is on bottom. That's where they at. They're on bottom. So this is fish number 4, and I wasn't even recording. That's my fault. Fish number 4. Like I said, as soon as I want to put my rod down, try something different, I get hit. Come on, get out of there. it and I go back to it. So I'm assuming fishes might be hitting it. I'm just missing the bite. There we go. There we go. All right, been a while since I caught a fish. So this is number 5 on the blue. I never went that far back. I might try one to go a little further back.